How to clean up storage on your computer without deleting files. First, open your settings, go to System, then tap on Storage. Your system will start analyzing how your storage is being used. Once done, click on Temporary Files. Now, you'll see a list of all temporary file types. So read each description carefully to understand what will be deleted. For example, I'll leave the Downloads folder unchecked because I have important files there. I'll also skip Windows Update Cleanup for now. Alright, so once you've selected what you are comfortable deleting, click Remove Files. This alone can recover several gigabytes of space. Next, still in Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, and here look for any apps you no longer use. So tap the three dots next to the app, then select Uninstall. Removing unused software can free up a lot of hidden space, alright? Now go back to System, Storage, and click Clean Up Recommendations. Here, you will see suggestions like large or unused files. If you no longer need those files, select and click Clean Up. You can also check other sections like Files Synced to the Cloud or Unused Apps. But in this example, there are no additional cleanup suggestions. Alright? And that's it. These are just a few simple ways to clean up your storage without deleting important files. As you can see, there's already a noticeable difference in available space on the drive after doing these steps. I hope this video helped, and if it did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more easy tech tips. See you in the next one.